अब मैं दर्जे राबिया 12 के तालिब इल्म मोहम्मद इhtisham से मुल्तमिस हूँ कि वो तशरीफ़ लाए और अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान में अपने मौजू रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ फ्रीडम के टॉपिक की वजाहत करें। तशरीफ़ ला रहे हैं मोहम्मद इhtisham दर्जे राबिया 12।
Starting with the name of Allah, who is the Lord of Lords, King of Kings, Creator of creatures, the most merciful and the most gracious. Respected teachers, honorable chief guest, and dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the nation is going to celebrate the 74th Independence Day of the God-gifted Pakistan on 14th August with traditional enthusiasm. The living nation celebrates the independence by prostrating and paying thanks with renewed commitment. The nation should know that freedom wasn't served us on a plate. It was a hard-earned task for the Muslims of subcontinent. Our elders made unprecedented sacrifices for the cause of this freedom. Achieving freedom was certainly a challenging stage in which God Almighty helped and guided us. The fact is that yesterday was the struggle of Pakistan for independence, and today the struggle of nation building is needed. Today again we need a spirit like Tehreek-e-Azadi Pakistan. We have to become a nation again. If you look at the journey of independence, it seems that we are moving backward instead of any progress. Despite of 74 years of progress, despite of 74 years of independence, we are still in the state of negligence and ignorance. How does it make up for the mistakes we have made so far, intentionally or unintentionally? The rulers know this and they have to think about it. My dear compatriots, did Qari Hisham and Allama Iqbal dreamed of such a Pakistan? 11th October 1947 is the day when Qari Hisham delivered in front of government official gathering. He delivered that the Pakistan for which we have struggled for the last 10 years has become a reality by the grace of Almighty Allah. But the purpose of bringing a national state into existence cannot be a goal, but it is a means of achieving a goal. Our aim was to create a state where we could live with freedom, which flourished in the light of our civilization, and Islamic concept of social justice will fully develop. Without any hesitation, I would say that our culture, education, and especially ideology is still not independent. We follow each and every cultural, educational, and ideological move of the West. Dear students, only by making promises and adorable saying can't make progress. Youth is a basic building block of developing a nation. You are those ones who can bring progress. You are those ones who can change the fate of this country. You have to come out of your dreams and be practical in your lives. Wassalam.